A cat walks slow with her tiny kitten, soft little paws and whiskers smitten.
A dog runs fast with her little pup. They wag their tails and jump right up.
A cow eats grass with her baby calf. They moo together and make us laugh.
A duck swims quick with her ducklings small. They splash in water and have a ball.
A horse trots proud with her baby foal. They race around on a grassy knoll. Yeah! A pig rolls round with her piglet pink. They snort and play and make a wink. A sheep goes bow with her lamb so white. They run together in morning light.
A goat climbs high with her little kid. They leap on rocks and never hid.
An elephant walks
With her baby near, they flap their ears and have no fear.
A lion rests with her tiny cub. They snuggle close for a loving rub. A bear climbs trees with her cubs so sweet. They hunt for honey as a tasty treat. A hen goes cluck with her chicks so small.